Yeah, this all started from a Facebook post asking for donations. Now the couple will go home today with these brand new units for free.
Our air conditioning unit sold, it would take $7,500 to replace it.
Asking to remain anonymous, a Mustang couple needed help cooling down their house after their AC broke last July.
I have cerebral palsy and I'm diabetic as well, so the combination of the two, I get affected by the heat really badly.
So they reached out to Okies Hand Up, a community page on Facebook. People who saw the post connected them to Liz.
She said, did I know anybody around the Mustang area that would help? And I told her, I said, no, but I'll put it on my Facebook.
Within hours, the Norman thrift shop was flooded with messages.
We had 2 brand new window units and 2 box fans. And then we also have had some people donate money.
Feeling beyond grateful, the couple says this donation will change their way of life.
We really appreciate it very much, and it's gonna help more than they realize.
Reporting in Norman, Kylie Thomas, KOCO 5 News.